Rosie makes a tornado and gets grounded.
Oh crap.
Oh my God. Rosie. We're here about to get you. Let's watch the news.
There is a tornado in Guaname City. 400 killed. 300 got rushed to the hospital. I know who caused all of this. It's Rosie. That caused all of this. She has orange hair, blue dress, and shoes. Let's see what's happened.
There is a tornado who attacking Guaname City. I am talk with Paul.
There was a tornado who attacking the Guaname City and they got injured and killed. I know who did this. It's Rosie. That idiot, that we have to pay 100 Googleplex dollars to fix the damages that she did. How dare she, and now that to pay hospital bills.
You may now leave. See you in next news.
Oh my God. Rosie. How dare you cause a tornado? Now that we have to pay 100 Googleplex dollars thanks to you.
And also, they're injured and killed. That is it. You are so grounded for 900 centuries. Go to your room right now.